Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Trust Wallet to Treasure Fun. First, you will need to have the Trust Wallet application installed on your mobile device. Make sure it is updated to the newest version for optimal performance and security. Once installed, open the app and locate the built-in decentralized application browser, which is essential for interacting with platforms like Treasure Fun. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. Next, open the D-App browser directly within your Trust Wallet. In the browser's address bar, you will type in the official website address for Treasure Fun. It is very important to double-check the URL to confirm you are on the correct and legitimate platform. This step helps protect your assets from potential phishing sites. Always prioritize security by verifying the web address. Once on the Treasure Fun website, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located at the top right or bottom of the page. Click this button and select Wallet Connect from the presented options. Wallet Connect is a secure protocol that bridges your mobile wallet to decentralized applications. Depending on your device, a QR code will display or a prompt for a deep link connection will appear. Finally, open your Trust Wallet and use its built-in scanner to capture the QR code shown on the Treasure Fun website. If using a mobile device, simply approve the deep link. A connection request will appear in your Trust Wallet. Carefully review all the details. Once you are certain everything is correct, tap Approve to securely link your wallet to Treasure Fun. You are now connected and ready to interact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.